How to use GoFundMe properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. GoFundMe is one of the most popular crowdfunding platforms, but beginners often make mistakes that cost donations or reduce campaign success. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is having an unclear campaign goal. Most people get this wrong by setting vague objectives. Be specific about the amount you need and how it will be used. Clarity builds trust with donors. Second mistake, neglecting storytelling. You won't believe how much engage and suffers without a compelling story. Share personal experiences, photos, and updates to connect with supporters emotionally. Third mistake, ignoring promotion. The surprising truth is creating a campaign isn't enough. Share it on social media, email, and local networks to reach a wider audience and increase donations. Fourth mistake, not updating donors. Beginners often forget to provide progress reports or thank contributors. Regular updates show accountability and encourage continued support. Finally, overlooking fees is common. GoFundMe deducts platform and payment processing fees. Factor these into your fundraising goal to ensure you reach the amount you actually need. By setting clear goals, telling a compelling story, promoting your campaign, updating donors, and accounting for fees, you can maximize your GoFundMe success. Avoid these mistakes, and your crowdfunding campaign will be more effective, engaging, and rewarding.